Oh, ew! Oh gosh! What happened? Put your floor raise on.
Somebody crashed.
Just wrecked. Don't, I don't think you should get out. People are still going fast. What are you doing, honey?
I'm gonna do this back here so people start slowing down. That truck came flying down there.
He's out. The person's out. I think we can get out. We can drive past them. They're walking.
No, I think that truck is stopped. Stopped.
That's scary.
Yeah, it is scary.
See, these cars are going way too fast still.
Yeah, but if there's something, I'd rather go around it and not be like somebody accidentally gets scared and hits into us.
Are we on the road?
I don't
No.
know what that dude did.
He on his phone. 100%.
Oh, dash cam.
Whoa.